been in a green combine?
I haven't.
Oh, they're impressive. You aren't going to believe this.
This is my first time. Boy, look at those Snoot Boots just pop.
Yeah, look at those. They've been working pretty nice.
You know what's really cool about that, Zach? So you got corn laying. And obviously it's extremely difficult to see down the road. And that reflective tape on that Snoot Boot sure helps out a ton. It keeps you right on row center.
Yeah, even just the yellow color of it, it's so much easier to see where the snouts are.
Right. You can order your May Wes Snoot Boots at your local May Wes dealer. Check us out online at maywes.com or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483.